Hello YouTube. Sweeteners and skimmed milk, are they healthier than conventional products? Sugar substitutes or sweeteners are given to diabetic or obese patients if they find it difficult to break the habit of eating sweets. However, a nutritionist does not recommend using sweeteners for a healthy person. In recent years, data have appeared on the adverse effects of these substances on the functioning of the liver, pancreas, and also on carbohydrate metabolism in general. Therefore, if you can refuse sugar and sweeteners, then it is better to refuse altogether. A sufficient amount of glucose and fructose contains fruits, dried fruits, honey and berries. If you have not removed them from the diet, add them to breakfast and lunch within the normal range. You can use skimmed dairy products if the fat comes from other foods. It is best to use dairy products in small quantities, medium fat. For example, a glass of kefir or another fermented milk product, 1 to 2.5%, and 100 grams of cottage cheese, 5 to 9%. If they are more fat, their number decreases. Be healthy. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.